Hello my fellow eggheads, my name is Liz. I'm a certified technician. Today we're going to get into how to replace a fan on your HP because as we know, unfortunately, fan problems are common in laptops nowadays, so we're going to get into how to replace it. Okay, so locating my fan, I have the computer unplugged and the battery uninstalled, so there's no power. I'm going to unplug the fan. And before you uninstall, it might be a good idea to take a picture of where everything is in case you can't remember later on. But I'm not going to force it. I'm going to look for the screws. There's typically 2 or 3, but the amount can vary. If you're concerned about getting them all, you can also look up on hp.com/support. And sometimes if you look it up by model number, they'll have a breakdown of how to take it apart, but not always, unfortunately. So I'm going to go ahead here and I'm going to take out all the screws. If you want to know what kind of electronics repair kit is good for this kind of thing, we have several ones we've selected in the description down below that are, will be adequate for this kind of thing typically. Now here is my fan, and now I need to locate what the part number is. Typically it will be on a sticker located on your fan, and it will typically be 6 digits, a dash, and then 3 more digits is what it oftentimes is on HPs. If you cannot locate a sticker, it happens sometimes, or a part number, go on the back panel of your computer and look for your model number. And you can go on eBay or Amazon, by the model number, you can look up the fan, or the part number is a lot more specific because sometimes these fans are used against multiple models. Now, as you can see, I'm doing the same exact procedure to install it, taking my screws, and I'm going to reinstall the fan. Keep in mind that you can use that picture you originally took if you at any point get lost. As you notice, I am not forcing or adding too much pressure as I go along and relocate and re-put the wires where they're supposed to be. Be very careful. If you move wires, you want to put them back where they were because you don't want them to pinch, because if a pinched wire can cause a short or can even in some severe cases even cause a small fire. So that's how you do it. Keep in mind that if you're replacing the fan in order to clear some sort of HP fan error, then it's always a good idea with the battery uninstalled and it unplugged and your computer unplugged from the power cord. It's a good idea to hold down the power button for 30 seconds to a minute to help clear any of sort of error that might be stuck in the system. But anyway, if you found this video in any way helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more great content. But from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.